Hello students, in this video we are going to calculate one most important numerical based on your university examination, and that numerical is based on series RL circuit. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. Okay, so already we have discussed about series RLC circuit, and today based on this we will calculate one numerical which is written on the board. So this type of circuit diagram is given in which 200 ohms of resistance is connected in series with 2 by pi Henry of your inductor. Unit of inductance is Henry, that you know very well, and that is connected with one alternating voltage source which is V is equals to 200 sine 100 pi into T. So this much data are given to you and you have to calculate four things. So first thing is inductive reactance, next is impedance, next is peak current or you can say maximum current, and last is equation of current. Voltage equation is given, so from that you will find out the current equation. Okay, so step by step we will solve. First we will solve which is what? Inductive reactance. Now you know very well inductive reactance is indicated by XL, and value of XL is what? It is your omega into L. Now omega is not given, angular frequency, so how we can find? So that equation is given. That equation we will compare with standard equation which is what? V is equals to Vm of sine of omega t. That is your standard equation. V is equals to Vm sine omega t. Okay, now how we'll compare both? So over here Vm is what? Over here I will write Vm is equals to 200 volt. Then omega is what? Omega t, so that is 100 pi t, so omega is 100 into pi radian per second. So that much data we can find by comparing both of these equations. Omega is how much? 100 into pi into inductance is how much? 2 by pi Henry, so pi will get cancelled. So that will be your 100 into 2, 200, and unit of XL is what? It is one type of resistance, so it will be your ohm. So first answer you are getting as 200 ohm, which is your answer. Okay, move on with the next. Next is what? Impedance. Now impedance is the total resistance which is what? Z is equals to under square root of XL square plus R square, that already we have derived, which is equals to under square root of XL is given, so 200 square, plus R is given, R is 200, so that is also 200 square. So Z is equals to, that is your 2 times of 200 square. Okay, so it will be what? 200 will be as it is, one half will get cancelled, and that will be your root 2. So that is the answer of Z in terms of what? In terms of ohm, because impedance is total resistance and its unit is ohm. Also, if you want to solve by putting root 2 value 1.414, so it will be your 282.84, which is your ohm. So that will be your second answer. Okay, move with the next. Next is which one? Number 3. Number 3 is what? Peak current. Peak current, or you can say maximum value of current. Maximum value of current we are denoting with Im. You know very well Ohm's law, which one? V is equals to IR, so I will write Vm is equals to IMR. Okay, but that is not pure resistive circuit, that is what? Series LR circuit. And for series LR circuit, what we are writing? Combination of resistance is known as impedance, so it is denoted by Z. Now we want the value of Im, so Im is equals to Vm by Z. Maximum potential is how much? 200, and impedance is how much? Impedance is that thing we can write for easy calculation, which is 200 root 2. So 200 will get cancelled out. 1 upon root 2 value is 0.707, unit is ampere. So yeah, that is the next answer. Okay, last one is which one? Equation of current. So to find out the equation of current, what you will do, that you know very well that for the case of your resistive circuit, what you are saying, potential is in phase with what? With current. Okay, for the pure inductive circuit, what we are saying, current is lagging behind the potential. So that is your VL by how much? By 90 degree. That you also know very well. Acha, when both of these devices are combined, then what's happened? We have to find out its resultant. So resultant potential will be this. That is your resultant potential, which is at an angle of phi. That means current lags behind the potential, resultant potential, when both are combined by phi. So if equation of potential is given as 200 sine of 100 pi into t, that means omega t. That is your omega, that is your t. Then current equation will be what? Current equation will be, that is what? Vm. So it will be your Im sine omega t minus phi. Why we are writing minus phi? Because from the diagram we can say what? Current is lagging behind the potential by phi. Current पीछे चल रहा है potential से. Lagging means phi, पीछे चल रहा means phi. Okay, so I is equals to, now value of Im is what? 0.707 sine of omega value is how much? It is your 100 pi into remaining is t minus value of phi you have to calculate. Now how will find the value of phi? So for that purpose I will take the reference of this diagram over here. VR means pure resistive circuit, means its resistance is R. Then pure inductive circuit whose resistance, just like resistance, is known as XL. XL is known as inductive reactance, and impedance we know very well. Resultant of this two, so that is your impedance, which is Z. And if I will draw one line like this, so that will be your XL, and that angle is how much? That angle is phi. So from that, can I find the value of tan phi? So tan phi is equals to what? It is your perpendicular by base, so it will be your XL by R. So tan phi is equals to, XL is how much? That is your first one, inductive reactance 200, and resistance is how much? It is also 200. So 200 will get cancelled out, so which is equals to 1. So phi is equals to tan inverse 1, and value of phi is equals to tan inverse 1 is what? At 45 degree, value of tan is 1. So over here I will write phi is equals to 45, or I can say pi by 4 radian. So over here I will insert the value of phi, which is 45 degree, or pi by 4 you can write. So that would be your equation of current in terms of ampere, so AMP, and that will be your last answer. So that is all about the numerical based on RL circuit. Now on the next video we will calculate the numerical based on RC circuit. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.